Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechGitter Official. Today, I'll show you how to download and sign into TurboTax 2026 so you can easily file your taxes without any confusion. Whether you're using TurboTax for the first time or you've used it before, this video covers everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, go to the official TurboTax website. You can simply search for TurboTax on Google. Once you're on the site, choose the right version of TurboTax for your needs. If you're filing a simple return, the free edition may work fine. But if you have deductions, investments, or are self-employed, you might want to go for a paid version like TurboTax Deluxe or TurboTax Premier. Next, you'll need to sign in or create a new account. If you've used TurboTax before, click Sign In. If you forgot your password, don't worry, you can easily recover it right on the website. If you're new, click Create Account and follow the simple on-screen steps. After that, you'll be prompted to download the software for your device. Choose the version for your Mac or Windows PC. Click Download, and your setup file will begin downloading automatically. And that's it. You're now ready to file your taxes quickly and confidently using TurboTax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Good luck with your taxes, and I'll see you in the next video.